बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम तालीम चैनल में आप सबको खुशामदीद। Here is the second part of the unit number 2 5.3 language practice grammar. Pronouns I, you, he, she, it, they. I am Rafi Ali. I work in a factory. I am Mrs. Nazia Ali. I am a housewife. We have 2 children, Ali and Sadia. They go to school in the morning. They come home in the afternoon and they have lunch. Then they rest for an hour. In the evening, they do their homework. Then they play. Ali plays with Bunny. It is his pet rabbit. Sadia plays with Ronnie. It is her doll. The teacher says to Ali and Sadia, "You are good pupils." Mr. and Mrs. Hali say, "We are a happy family." Now look at the page number 38. Activity number 1. Pupil in the story. Example. Number 1. Rafi Hali. Number 2. Nazia Hali. Number 3. Ali. Number 4. Sadia. Number 2. Write the answer in the blank space. Example number 1. Who is I in the line number 1? Rafi Hali. Who is I in the line number 2? Nazia Hali. Who are we in the line number 3? Ali and Sadia. Who are they in the line number 4? Ali and Sadia. Number 5. Who is it in the line number 10? Bunny. Number 6. Who is it in the line number 11? Rani. Number 7. Who is you in the line number 13? Ali and Sadia. Now look at the page number 39. Activity number 3. Who are they? Complete the sentences with appropriate words from the box given below. He, she, it, they, we, you. Example. He is Mr. Hali. She is Mrs. Nazia Hali. He is Ali. She is Sadia. We are Sadia and Ali. We are children. It is a pet rabbit. It is a doll. We are happy family. They are good children. Now look at the page number 40. Activity. Complete the story. Fill in the following blanks with he, she, it, you, they. Abdul and Amna went to the zoo. They saw a monkey. It was eating a banana. They saw parrots in a cage. They were green in color. Amna did not like the elephant. She was afraid. Abdul was not afraid. He wanted to ride on the elephant. I like to go to the zoo. Do you like to go to the zoo? Now look at the page number 41. Calendar sense. Number 1. Look at the following calendar page and answer the question. For example, which month does the calendar shows? April. Number 2. Write the missing dates in the calendar. I have done it for you. These are 8, 9, 18, 20. Number 3. Read the name of the days of the week and write them. Number 1. SUN Sun DAY Day Sunday. MON Mon DAY Day Monday. TUES DAY Day Tuesday. WEDNESNESS, Wednesday, Wednesday. THURS, Thursday, Thursday. FRI, Fry, day, Friday. SATUR, Saturday, Saturday. Now look at the page number 42. Activity: look at the calendar and answer the question. Example: on what day did this month begin? Sunday. Which day of the week is a holiday? Sunday. Which is the first day of the second week? Sunday. What day of the week is April 26? Thursday. How many Fridays are there in this month? 4. What is the last day of this month? Sunday. Number 2. Draw a line from the name of the days to its position. Sunday 1st, Monday 2nd, Tuesday 3rd, Wednesday 4th, Thursday 5th, Friday 6th, Saturday 7th. Now look at the page number 43, 5.5, writing ordinal numbers. Read the story. Seema, Dinu and Razia have a race. Dinu runs very fast. He comes first. Razia is very slow. He comes last. Mano does not run. She watches the race. Activity: draw a line from the name to the correct position. Name: Seema, position 2nd. Name: Dinu, position 1st. Name: Razia, position 3rd. Activity number 2. The farm animals are going to drink water. Write the order in which these animals will drink. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th order we have to write. For example, the horse will drink water first. The dog will drink water second. The cow will drink water third. The goat will drink water fourth. The duck will drink water fifth. Now look at the page number 44. Ask the student orally, what do you see in the picture? How many shelves does the cupboard have? What is there in the cupboard? Activity: complete the sentences by looking at the picture. You may use the words in the box. 4th, toys, clothes. 2nd, 3rd, shoes, books. Example: Bilal has a cupboard in his room. Number 1. He kept his books on the first shelf. He keeps his toys on the second shelf. He keeps his clothes on the third shelf. He keeps his shoes on the fourth shelf. Now look at the page number 45, 5.6, fun. Recite the poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. Number 1. Read the poem. Number 2. Write the rhyming words from the poem. For example, 5. Alive. 10. Then. Go. So. Bite. Write. Here is the copywork for the chapter number 5. Name of the days: Sunday, Twar, Monday, Peer, Tuesday, Mangal, Wednesday, Buddh, Thursday, Jumerat, Friday, Jumma, Saturday, Hafta. Word sentences: naughty, Ali is a naughty boy. Brave, she is a brave girl. Hurt, do not hurt anyone. Treated, doctor treated us. Page number 43, ordinal counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Fill in the blanks. Asif is a naughty boy. Asif got hurt. Arifa is a brave girl. Asif fell from stairs. The doctor gave him treatment. Page number 45, rhyming words. 5, alive, live. 10, then, pen. Go, so, no. Bite, write, kite. Pronoun. A word which is used instead of noun is called a pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, you, we. Here the chapter number 5 has been completed. I hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.